Kung nagtatrabaho ka pa rin, pero parang walang nangyayari sa finances mo, this might be why. Centerlink rarely comes as one big payment. Actually, instead, it's rent assistance, family tax benefit, energy supplement or subsidy, childcare subsidy, healthcare concession. Individually, each one feels small, diba? Pero pag pinagsama-sama mo lahat yan, collectively, they create a lifestyle that depends on staying eligible. Now, your decisions are not just about earning anymore. They're about how much will I lose. If nagtrabaho ako, ano ang mawawala sa aking eligibility sa benefit? If mag-extra shift ako, mababawasan ang subsidy ko. If gagalingan ko, mapopromote ako, mababawas yung childcare ko. If magde-declare ako ng tamang income, mababawasan ang benefit ko. Kung kukuha akong full-time job, mawawala na rin yung benefit ko. Pwedeng mawala ang concessions, di ba? And suddenly, earning more and maximizing actually your full potential starts to become a financial punishment sa paningin mo. You're working, but you're not moving forward. Think about it.